We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Shenxing train station is situated at the highest altitude on the Taiwan railway system. It was built in 1903 and rebuilt after a serious earthquake in 1935. The section from Sanyi to Da'an River has the most tunnels on the Taiwan rail system. The Shenxing train station itself is a listed historic building and is in typical Japanese style, entirely wood-built without the use of nails. The railway carried both freight and passengers, and although there are no trains running on the line now, it is still a popular tourist destination. Hi, and welcome to another Hakka lesson of the day. This is David Wang with
Hello, 大家好。
Now, yesterday we talked about the wisdom of life. You have to ask the elderly people with experience and all that. Today we're going to follow that theme. 今天我们来讲的就是现在的年轻人呢通常是3天2天就换工作了。Nowadays people they can't really stay on the job for too long because they can't really withstand the hardship and they are a little bit impatient, 比较没有这个耐心。那么客家人最大的优点好像听说就是很怕拼啊，有没有这一类的这个 expression 呢？
譬如讲，死都死懂，莫米煮番薯桶。
Say that one more time, please, just for me.
死都死懂，
死都死懂，
莫米煮番薯桶。
莫米煮番薯桶。Okay, what does that mean?
做事唔好按急，要面對呢個困難嘅世界，只要穩定嘅法，也會感覺到痛快樂。
Okay, so you can't be too impulsive. You can't hurry too much. You have to have patience and get through the hardship one at a time, and eventually you'll be very successful. Patience is the key. 所以这个耐心嘛，是在讲耐心嘛，然後就是刻苦嘛，对不对？ Okay, one more time, Alice.
死都死懂，
死都死懂。
船到橋頭自然直。
When you come to the bridge, you will cross it.
莫米煮番薯桶，
If you're running out of rice,
沒有米就煮番薯湯。
you can cook the sweet potato leaves. Okay, so do not be afraid of taking challenges ahead of you, and eventually you'll get through them. Okay, thank you very much, Alice.
師母你按字些，
師母你按字些，
張來了，
當來了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.